Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You must start with admin access. You will not be able to uninstall without it. Once logged in, close all Office apps and save your work. Next, open Settings, choose Apps, then Apps and Features so you see the full list of installed programs. Make sure to identify the exact Office entry. Microsoft 365 apps often show as a suite or click-to-run. This determines the uninstall tool you use. Doing this prevents accidental data loss and speeds up the removal process. Begin by selecting the Microsoft 365 entry and click Uninstall. If Modify appears, pick Remove after the repair options. The built-in uninstaller runs click-to-run removal and may prompt for account confirmation. Follow it. Once done, reboot if asked. This clears locked files. If Settings does not remove it, open Control Panel, Programs and Features, right-click the Office suite and choose Uninstall. Make sure to watch for progress dialogues and do not interrupt the process. Because after the uninstall, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant or the official removal tool to remove residual components. These tools scan and clean leftover registry keys and files. Once completed, check Task Manager and Program files for any remaining Office folders and manually delete if safe. If Office still appears or causes errors, reboot and run DISM and SFC to repair system files, then try removal again. If problems persist, save error messages and use the removal tool logs for targeted troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.